All right, guys, guess what we got in here? Look at this beast. 2023 BMW XM, fully wrapped, fully customized. It's a sick beast. Check it out. It's a V8 with a hybrid motor also. You know what we're going to do? We're going to straight pipe it because you know what? Why not? Here's the big muffler that's on it. I love the tip setup on it. Check that out. There and there. And I drove it in, the suede and everything. It's beautiful. It has ambient lighting and everything. It's sick. Just a sick vehicle. It's got a self-healing wrap on it. This is not the original color of it, but it still looks sick. There's the muffler on it there. It's got a valve in there. And then a regular. So we're going to do a muffler delete. We'll just weld them together and put a brace and then just connect it to one of them on each side. We'll show you guys after we take it off. But that's it right there. And then it's got a factory H5, double cats, secondaries, and primaries. Okay, let me show you guys the front of it. It's like a futuristic BMW. That's the BMWs I'm used to from the past where like they outdo everybody. Really good looking car. BMW XM. All right, stay tuned guys. We're going to let you guys hear a before. So the nice thing about this thing, guys, he already has the valves open and he took the fuse out, so it keeps the valves open. So this is what it sounds like with valves open. There we go, much better, thank you. So you gotta press the X1 button twice and it activates the motor. So there's the idle on it, it's right at 88. Go on and rev it. Again? That definitely needs more. One more? Right in 93. Yeah, it definitely needs more. One more, go ahead. 93. Again? Okay, 97 when it pops. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to change that. It's a massive muffler. Look at this thing. It is massive. Look how much space it opened up when we took it off. It's crazy. Now we have space for days. First thing we're going to do is we're going to test out straight pipe with no mufflers or whatever to see what it sounds like. And then we might do a crazy contraption with an X pipe, as you guys can see, and Borla ATAKs and Borla S types. We don't know yet. We're going to figure it out. Stay tuned. This is what straight pipes sound like, guys. So idle is 72. All right, give it gas. Not bad. Here's sound decibels, go ahead. It opened up to 99 again. 101 again. All right, so that's what straight pipes sound like. Stay tuned. So now we're gonna test out the Carven R for you guys. Here we go, go ahead. BMW XM. That's idle, give it gas. Whoa, that sounds good too. Again. The pop is more refined, you notice that? Again, here's sound decibels. Right at 102. One more. They're getting hot. All right. Next, we're gonna test out the BIGBOZ 4s. BIGBOZ 4s, here we go. Go ahead. Oh, I like that. That has more pop. Again. Here's sound decibels. Holy crap. My ear's ringing. One more. That might be the one. BIGBOZ 4s. Guys, we can't forget about Black Widow. So here's Black Widow. Go ahead. One more. That's not the one. I think BIGBOZ is the way to go. Your sound decibels, go ahead. right at 104. One more? You guys let me know what you guys think in the comments on this BMW XM. Guys, when I tell you we do really crazy custom work, check it out, guys. This is the first XM that you guys are gonna see with this crazy setup with a Borla ATAK system. Look at that. Tell me that ain't a crazy design. Check it out. So they come into the X pipe, then they go back out into each Borla ATAK and then into the tips. That is so beautiful. Work of art, guys. So after a couple of hours, guys, it's finally done. The BMW XM. Are you guys ready to see what we did? The Frankenstein contraption of beauty. So here it is. So we got it off. Each motor on each side. It's got an H pipe in the front. And then we ran it into an X pipe and then ran it back out into two Borla ATAKs. Nothing else fits as beautifully as the Borla ATAKs on this car with the sound profile. So there it is. And there's the two tips on each side, like nothing ever happened. We put everything back on it beautifully. Here's the part number on the Borla ATAK, 400832. There'll be a link in the description, but there it is. So let me know, guys, what you guys think of the sound once we started. And if you guys don't know about this car, this thing pushes around 700 horsepower. It's a hybrid and 5.0 V8 system. So it's really nice, really beautiful car. All right, so stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And there's the rest of the system. There's the H pipe there. There's the two cats. And the main one's still there, okay? So the whole system is all still, everything else is the same. We just took off that massive muffler and replaced it with two beautiful Borla ATAK mufflers. All right, and the next pipe. There's the stock muffler that was on it. That huge beast we just took off. So here we go, BMW XM. 5.0 liter with Borla Pro XS. The first cold start. We're gonna let it warm up a little bit. That's what it sounds like with a cold start. And that's not gonna be annoying in the morning. It's not too loud. That's good. The nice thing about Borla is you hear when you hit it. So you hit it. So it's right at 84, 81. It's going down. All right. Let it warm up a little bit. Go ahead. Better? A lot better. Is it clean exactly, or you want it louder?
Well, you tell me.
It's your car.
How do you make it louder?
We can take the H pipe out. That's in the center.
We'll leave it there.
You want to drive it down the road real quick?
Yeah.
All right. When he heard the pop, he's like, yeah, I'm going to keep it like that. Again? Yeah, there's that pop. You're like, you were waiting for that part, right? Yeah. Again? That's so sick. One more. Go ahead and back it up. If you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. There's a beautiful shop right there, right down the street from Skyline Hospital on Dickerson Pike. Back to the action. The shape of this thing, it's huge. Executive edition, man. It's got every bell and whistle that you can think of that BMW has. Go ahead. Sounds like gunshots. I love it. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Gonna test it, see if he likes it or not. Stay tuned. BMW XM. A beast of a vehicle. Whew. I love these cars, man. Might be one of my new favorite cars. Let's see what it does going down the road. Oh my God! Wow! You see that thing take off, bro? Oh my God! I want one! Here, like they say, take my money, take it. Take it all, just give me the car. One last drive off for you guys in this XM. Here we go. Marble time, launch number 2. Traffic galore. That will never get old, man. That can never get old. Enjoy, guys.